This is our first robot demonstrator. And so at the moment, we're just piecing together the various bits of software and control algorithms that we need to build robotic cells within the factory. So this is using a singular control system to control the robot, to control all the safety interlocks so that you can put all the safety fences around, because you can't have industrial robots and people in the same space, it's dangerous. So we're developing all of those safety systems so that we can lock all of that out and keep people safe. And one of the simple jobs that we've been doing to start with, and this is really while we're waiting for our first CNC spindle to arrive, is we've had the robot drawing the Hill logo. So this is just to prove that we can get it to follow a tool path while we wait for the spindle to arrive. So we're gradually piecing the elements together that we need. Believe it or not, this robot is pretty much the same price as the big ones, because it's the controls and the sophistication that costs the money, not the physical castings. And so we can develop everything that we need to on this benchtop robot that immediately works and just drags on to the bigger ones that we'll use in the full factory. So over the course of the next few weeks, we'll get the spindle and we'll start doing CNC trimming with the robot ahead of doing that on the full fuselages.